Under the soft glow of the cherry blossoms, she sits alone. The petals drift in the night breeze, as if whispering secrets only she can hear. The night sky was mysterious, filled with many shooting stars. Amazed by this view, she makes a wish. Something mysterious happens. The cherry blossom tree starts glowing. She starts feeling something, a very familiar aura, but she didn't know what it was. Next day, on her way to school, something magical happens.
Here's how you can make an anime like this. Step 1. Story and scene. You have 3 options here. First, write your own anime story and scenes. Second, think of a story and ask AI to come up with a script and scene details. Here's an example prompt. Third, ask AI for ideas. This is what I did. Suggest me a short animation, anime style, with 5 scenes. Give me the image prompts to generate it, and the narration script too. This is what ChatGPT came up with. Okay, now we have to copy this prompt. Then we will go to Leonardo.ai. Make sure you select the anime model, then paste your prompt and click on Generate. Keep in mind to use the same character description in every prompt to maintain the character consistency. If you have pro version of this app, then you can use their feature called Character Reference for best results. Repeat this for all the scenes and download the best images. Before we continue, I need your help. The YouTube algorithm likes to push long videos and waste your time. I hate that, so I pack all the information in much shorter videos. Please leave a like or sub to balance my odds. Now, we will animate the image scenes. We will use Halo AI to do that. I tested many other AI image to video generation tools, but I picked this one because it does a great job, and it's very generous with their free plan. If you want a separate video, doing a side-by-side comparison of all these video AI models, let me know in the comments. Here's how it works. Ask ChatGPT for the video prompt for every scene. Remember to ask it to keep the animation simple. You can also write your own prompt describing what you want to animate. Then upload the image and input the prompt. Your clip will be ready for download. Time taken can vary depending on the queue. Then download all the clips. Now, we will need to get the voiceover. It's pretty simple. We will copy the scripts from ChatGPT and paste it in 11 labs. You can follow up the chat with a prompt like this. Make a script for voiceover for each of these scenes. Keep in mind they are 5 seconds long. Also make sure you experiment with all the available voices and see which one fits best. For my video, I used a voice agent called Josh. Now, let's generate some background music to make it even better. Follow up the conversation with this prompt. Give me a simple prompt to generate AI background music for this anime video. Copy the prompt and head over to Suno and paste your prompt. Make sure you tick the instrumental checkbox on, else it will generate vocals too. Download the generated music. Now we need to stitch them all together on CapCut. Import all the assets you generated so far. You can also import the whole folder if you have organized it. Then drag them all to the timeline. If you want a separate tutorial on how to use CapCut, comment below. We add the mix transitions for smoothness. Also, note that we should lower the volume for the background music. We can also stretch any scene by duplicating it and adding a mix transition. We can also add a reverse playback to avoid repetitive motion for some situations. Once you are done, export the video, and voila! To improve it even further, this is what you can do. Note that this is optional. First, to make the video in a higher resolution, you can upscale it using a free tool called VideoProc. You can also add sound effects in CapCut or download more sound effects from Pixabay. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.